Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is a 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trading above 4200. Yesterday, when we were discussing about gold was trading somewhere around here, around 4120 4130 area, and we had a sideways market at that particular point of time, but still we discussed that overall trend of the market was bullish. Okay, so it is better and safer for us to be on the buy side only. But we also discussed that if gold stays in a range of 4150 4100, it would be difficult for us to trade, because in a range bound market trading opportunities are limited. But thankfully we got the breakout we wanted. We got a breakout above 4150, and it was a clean move. Hope you guys made some good money. And now we can clearly see that gold is trading above 4200. So trading strategy is simple, same old strategy, nothing new, because it is better to keep things simple. So if you have any ongoing buy, you can hold your buy position. No need to exit, just trail your stop loss. Gold is full of surprises. Do not trade without stop loss. It can be very dangerous. So hold your buys if you have any. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then same strategy, buy at dip, means buy at retracement. Okay, so where is the best level to buy it then? So remember 4150 strong resistance yesterday, so the same level will be working as a new support. Gold is full of surprises. If market drops suddenly around 4150, you can expect the market to take support, because the bias around this area will be very much active. Not only from price action perspective, okay, but 4150 is also a round number, so around 4150 we can expect a good support. But the problem is that 4150 is far away. So do we have any immediate support? No, we do not have any immediate strong support here. But still around 417068, okay, you can see a dotted line here. Okay, around this dotted line, okay, you can expect a temporary bounce if market drops. Keep in mind, this is not a very strong level, 41768, but still, if you see market is coming down with low volume, you can expect a bounce. Otherwise, technically, there is only one support here, a good support, which is 4150. That's it. So if you are looking for fresh position in the market, if market drops from here, 4150 can be a level. 417068 is a minor level, weak level. Now we can see that gold is going above 4200. So 4200 will also become the new support, isn't it? Yes. Right now you can see for gold is trading at, while recording the video, gold is trading around 421618. So during the day, okay, if 4200 becomes a support, there's a high chance that it will become the support. Previous resistance will become the support, plus it's a round number, psychological level as well. So around 4200 4195, okay, if market takes support, you can enter there as well, means buying at pullback. If you already have taken a buy at breakout, you can hold your buy position, but it will be better and safer for us to buy at pullback later on if 4200 4195 becomes the new support. So remember consolidation, I always tell you about consolidation. See, this was the consolidation, okay, that proved very fruitful for the traders. Market was trading narrow range, and if you observe the chart carefully, you can see small candles, but market is forming what? Higher lows. So formation of higher lows and higher highs at the same time was indicating the intention of the market to go up. But here if you observe the movement carefully, you can see the move started from here. There was not much consolidation, proper consolidation here. Okay, so this breakout may not sustain. Okay, later on when this level will become the new support, you can try to enter there as well. Personally, I do not have any buy right now, because to be honest, I was not convinced, because this move came, okay, when the up move started from 4180. If the move or the breakout would have came after some consolidation of 4200, I would have entered. But right now I do not have any buy. I will try to buy at retracement or at pullback. Okay, so hold your buy position if you have any, and if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then it will be better and safer for you to buy at retracement or buy at dip. The best level is 4150, but sadly it is far away. You can also look for support in a 4169, 41670 as well. Okay, and right now we can see gold is trading over 4200. So during the day, okay, if market takes support in 4200, okay, 4200, 4195 area, because the previous resistance will be working as support, we can enter there as well. Okay, and as I said, okay, there's a chance that okay, this breakout may not sustain, so it will be better for us to buy at pullback only. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable trading solution, trading platform, especially if you're from India, then Vantage Markets can be the best solution for you. Vantage Market not only provides you the best trading experience, but you also get the safety of your fund and capital. It's a multi-regulated broker. They have offices around the world, more than 5 million, more than 50 lakh users globally. They have a very good reputation, official partner of Ferrari, and also they have insurance, or they provide insurance up to $1 million. So you don't need to worry about the safety of your funds at all. And if you deposit more than $1,000, you get a swap free account. So if you hold trades also, you don't need to worry. So open your account with Vantage if you want. Okay, the link will be in the description. Use our referral. You'll also get access to our WhatsApp community. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.